नमस्कार दर्शक बंधु सतीश विजन को स्वागत कर मानी मनोबना
भुवनेश्वर में ओडिशा सरकार गृह शिल्प और आईएनटीआर विभाग अतिरिक्त मुख्य सचिव आईएस श्री हेमंत शर्मा सीआईआई ओडिशा माइनिंग एंड कंस्ट्रक्शन इक्विपमेंट एक्सपो OMCE 2026 प्रथम संस्करण उद्घाटन
Evening, I am Tyagarajan, Chairman of CII Trade Fairs Council. I am also Managing Director of Blue Star Limited. We are happy to be here in Bhubaneswar. It's a very important day for the Indian industry. Today we are inaugurating the first edition of Odisha Mining and Construction Equipment Expo 2026. In the very first edition, we have 125 participants here exhibiting state-of-the-art, globally competitive construction equipment and mining equipment. And we expect more than 10,000 visitors over the next few days. And as you can see behind, you have very leading industry players contributing to the mining industry. And Odisha, as you are aware, is a leading contributor to the state economy and as well as the central economy in terms of mining sector. Mining sector indirectly helps many other sectors like metallurgical, cement, and so on and so forth. And India is the fourth largest economy. It is going to become the third largest economy. And in that, I am very glad that Odisha is playing an important role. CII has been organizing an exhibition on mining equipment in Calcutta. That happens once in 2 years. We felt that Odisha is a happening place, and Odisha is not only growing, it is growing in terms of providing employment to numerous people directly and indirectly. And the backbone of that Odisha's economy is mining and construction equipment. That is why we have brought here a wide range of equipment. And you will have B2B meetings, B2C meetings, and you will also have many students, men and women, as you can see, and it opens a new era for Odisha, and the CII is proud of this event. We never thought in the very first edition it can come out in such a grand manner. In this ground, you might not have seen an exhibition of this nature. Thank you.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. We are from SSH Permco INC. SSH Permco INC is counterpart of Permco USA in India. We are the manufacturer of cast iron hydraulic gear pumps, motors, flow divider. It's a global company, and we are supplying all kinds of hydraulic gear products and solutions to many OEM customers all across globe. And at the same time, we are also supplying to the aftermarket requirement. We provide customized solutions to our customers as per their requirement and able to fulfill their needs within 24 hours from their inquiry. Thank you very much.